I got a DNA test because I want to see what breeds the puppy has. I'm also still figuring out what I want to name him. I'm thinking Roo, like R-O-O. He has so much puppy energy that I don't know if he's gonna actually let me swab the inside of his mouth. Good boy. Paw. Paw. Oh, good paw. Paw. Good. Let me see these two. I'll be right back. Okay? They literally look like twins. So yeah. I don't think this is a room that you guys have seen. Hey, down. Go. There's none of that. This is actually one of our guest rooms. And hey, no. Off. Because this is a room for guests, I don't want it to be dirty with dog paw prints everywhere. So this is the no. No, don't jump. No. Perfect. Go to your place. Dobby, go to your place. Roo, go to your place. Good place. Good place. I got the DNA results for Roo and literally they are so similar. Roo has 13 breeds. Dobby has 10. They share a lot of their dominant breeds. 44% Chihuahua, 16% Beagle, 13% American Pit Bull Terrier, 5% American Staffordshire Terrier, 3% Miniature American Shepherd. Adopting Roo has been the best decision I've ever made. I feel like Dobby and Roo are just like meant to be together. He's adjusting so well. Dobby's adjusting just perfectly fine, and I feel like I've been really happy lately just like being around the dogs and like spending time with them and just watching them. Like, they're hilarious. I love. The weather is finally warming up and I'm crossing my fingers that summer is finally here to stay. But let's talk about therapy and do like a little personal therapy check-in. And of course, thank you BetterHelp for sponsoring this portion of the video. Typically, I come on here and tell you guys what I'm struggling with, but today I'm gonna tell you guys about the progress that I've made and that I'm really proud of, and that is my communication skills. I used to be an avoidant, very passive, very scared to confront conflict, and it's really hard for me to articulate my feelings into words. But lately, I feel like I've been making strides with my progress. So what I've been doing lately is I like to take a few moments to myself, reflect and think, and I write everything down before I say anything. That way, I'm delivering what I need to say clearly and fun so I don't hurt anyone's feelings. So that's something I'm very proud of. BetterHelp makes it really easy to connect with a therapist, especially if it's your first time. You can use my link betterhelp.com/MichelleChoi. You can do it from your phone or your computer via phone call, video chat, or messaging. You can connect with a therapist at the comfort of your home. Visit betterhelp.com/MichelleChoi or choose Michelle Choi at sign up and enjoy a special discount for your first month. Just got my nails done, nice and summery. I am going to Korea again. This time it's not for that long, less than a week. I've never been invited to a Korean event. I'm feeling very grateful and excited to be able to travel to the motherland for work. Last night I decided to cut my trip a little bit shorter because I'm a mother of 2 now. I actually want to take all my shoes that I want to get repaired in Korea because it's probably going to be a lot more affordable. Yikes. Ow. I also want to take some jeans. I want to get hemmed. I really like this denim wash color from APC Jeans. Jean Elizabeth. I just want to show you guys what this situation looks like. Oh, hi. He peed on this sofa, this one, and that one. It's just a new one every day. Just like that, we have made it to Korea. I've made it. Finally. I'm feeling quite gross, so I'm gonna take a shower and chill out. I'm also hungry, so I might go out and find some food. I traveled with my LP tote bag. I love traveling with this, and I'm so glad we put this on here because it's such a game changer. This is also a makeup bag that we are coming out with for LP. It's like quite spacious inside. All my products in here. Let's see if I can find something to eat at this hour. Last order is in 30 minutes. After traveling, I need to make sure my health is in tip-top condition because health gets compromised every time I travel. I am all washed up and ready. So I'm gonna go to the same salon I went last time when I cut my hair short. I have like crazy volume going on because I'm gonna do like an updo later. Here is the complete look. I will see you guys at the event.
예쁘다. 오. 맛있겠네.
Look at that. This is pot burger. rice burger, and apparently they only have this in Seoul Station. Whoa, this is so nice. Oh, this is very romantic. Wow, so my girlfriend. Wow, look at this. 진짜 예쁘다. So nice. I don't want to leave this house. We're about to go eat now. First meal of the day is daegutang, which is my favorite. This is the life I want. Hula hooping in front of the beach. Sitting here chilling. So we were trying to get daegutang, and we went to a place that we thought allowed pets, but unfortunately they did not allow Timo. Right in front of the restaurant. Yeah, that's the restaurant. Good? Yes? So good. How do we even throw this away? I know.
다시 갖고 올라가잖아요.
다 먹었습니다.
잘 먹었습니다.
The sun is slowly starting to set. People are parked out by the beach to see the sunset. We're gonna head out, get some food, and join them. Oh, I'm staying home tonight. Oh, this is like a huge place. I'm kind of sick. I didn't even vlog anything today.
There was so warm.
I am back from Busan and I'm here one last day, and I fly out tomorrow morning. And I honestly just plan on staying in my hotel room, ordering room service, and just chilling, not doing anything. Seafood pasta and some bread and a energizer juice to heal me. And I'm going to watch some Netflix.